Poco F4 5G. So yeah, this is the latest mobile which is released from Poco side, and this mobile comes with first of all 6.67 inches of bigger display, and it is a HDR10 plus content certified, Dolby Vision supported, and it also supports 120Hz refresh display. And when we talk about the protection, it comes with the Corning Gorilla Glass 6 protection. And when we talk about the processor, this mobile is coming with a bit of old processor, that is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 870, which is a 7nm based 5G octa-core gaming processor. And when we talk about the 5G, this mobile comes with almost like 10 to 12 bands of 5G. And when we talk about the other features, like this mobile comes with a triple cameras at the back side, a 64 megapixels of main wide angle camera, and a 8 megapixels of ultra wide, and 2 megapixels of macro. Yeah, come on Poco, improve the cameras at least. But the front side, it comes with a 20 megapixels of front facing selfie camera. And one more important thing, that is this mobile comes with a huge battery, that is a 4500 milliamp hour battery, and it supports 67 watts of fast wide charge. It does not have any wireless charge or reverse charge, so that's it. And when we talk about the features like OS, this mobile runs on Android version 12 out of the box with the Poco UI. I mean, like almost MIUI. And this mobile also comes with the latest features like side mounted fingerprint scanner and stereo speakers. This mobile doesn't have any 3.5mm jack, so yeah, that's it. And this mobile also comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 features. And when we talk about the build quality, yeah, it is a like a plastic build, like mid-range quality build mobile. And when we talk about the variants, yeah, this mobile is available in lot of variants. Those are starting with the 6GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 128 and 8GB RAM 256 and 12GB RAM 256GB internal storage variants. These are UFS 3.0 capacities along with the LPDDR4X RAM types, not 5. So yeah, we can expect a good amount of performance from this mobile. And this mobile also comes in 3 colors. I will list the colors in the description box down below. You can directly check it out from there, and I will also leave a link to the mobile where you can buy it from. So buy the mobile and make me also buy a mobile. Not really. And so this is about the mobile, and you will also get a TPU case and charger and cable included in the box with this mobile. So finally, the price of this mobile is around like 27,000 rupees, and there is also one, I think one special offer is going on, which will get you a 3,000 rupees extra discount. So totally you will get the mobile around like 25,000 rupees. Almost the mobile is 27,900 rupees, 28,000 rupees minus 3,000, 25,000 rupees. So go and buy the mobile, and that's it. Watch the video and subscribe to the channel.